David Brown Automotive has completed the assembly of the first units of the Mini Remastered Oselli Edition. Presented in 2019 and limited to 60 cars, a nod to the 60 years since the original Mini rolled off the line in 1959, it is available with 2 or 4 seats from £98,000 and £108,000 respectively, excluding tax, in the United Kingdom. Power is supplied by an upgraded version of the A-Series 1420cc engine with twin carburetors that pumps out 125 HP at 6,200 RPM and 113 pounds-foot of torque at 4,500 RPM. The mill is connected to a 5-speed manual transmission, helping the car hit 100 km per hour in 7.8 seconds. A 4-speed automatic gearbox is also offered, albeit with the 1,380cc mill. The Mini Remastered Oselli Edition also features a limited slip differential, AP Racing high-performance brakes, Bilstein sports-oriented suspension and sports exhaust system, together with the 13-inch wheels shot and sticky tires. The exterior can be hand-painted in different finishes, such as carbon grey and Old English white base, accented by the competition red, royal blue or heritage green. It features the number 60 on the grille, full LED lights with auxiliary spotlights, and a leather and Alcantara-trimmed cockpit. DBA announced that Williams Formula One team reserve driver Jack Aitken is the face of the Mini Remastered Oselli Edition. The young racing star, who is a true Mini devotee having personally owned a version of the classic city car for a number of years, is announced as a David Brown Automotive brand ambassador for the launch of the performance car, the company said.